Hey guys, today will be our Valentine's Day edition of San Antonio on a Budget, or SAoaB. Staying on a budget is hard at Valentine's because all the stores raise the prices on everything. So this year I am going to draw a card for Ben and then put a little sweet note on the inside. So it will be super cheap and very heartfelt. Abstract is my preferred style of art. So I will be drawing an abstract heart on the cover and then color rendering it with this rose Prismacolor. And while I'm making this art, thought I would have a strawberry vodka soda. This is Canteen vodka soda. We are not sponsored, but we would like to be. Alrighty, y'all. Get my hair pulled back a little bit. Little sip of my strawberry vodka soda. That's really good. That is perfect for Valentine's Day. So back to why I prefer abstract art. I'm very much one of those math, sciencey kind of people, and it took me a while to figure out that I prefer abstract art because I feel it's like quantum mechanics. Like you don't know exactly where something is at a certain point in time. So the chaos is more realistic than perfectly drawn lines. Okay, here we go, guys. Here is my drawing. I know, it's perfectly imperfect, just like the human that drew it, just like love, just like when you travel. Everything is perfectly imperfect.